I guarantee you that this is the best dry fry pork recipe that you're ever going to find on the internet. And sometimes I just can't help but to recreate my own recipes. And today I'm going to be going in with a recipe that I've done before, and we are going to be preparing some delicious dry fry pork. So with me here I have my ingredients, and they are not even many. I have my pork that has already been chopped. I have my onions, I have some pili pili, some coriander stems and coriander leaves. For the list of spices, you just need some black pepper and paprika. I also have some ginger and garlic, some cooking oil, some soy sauce, and this really comes in handy, especially when you are having some white meat. And finally, I have some salt. And without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, we are going to start off by marinating our pork, and I'll add in my ginger and garlic. Then I'll mix this in. Then I'll go in with my spices. Then finally, I'll go in with my soy sauce. I'll add in about a teaspoon. And you can already smell the aroma from the marination. Then I'm also going to add in some salt. Then we can cover this and let it marinate. And this smells amazing. So I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to let this marinate for about 30 or so minutes. Then I'll be back and we can get started. So once my pan is hot, I'll go in with a few drops of cooking oil. Then once that is also hot, I'll go in with a few onions, about half of it. Then after sauteing this for about 30 or so seconds, I'll go in with my pork, and you can see how beautiful this looks. It has been marinating for about 30 minutes now. I'll store this, and I'm going to rinse this with water in just a bit. So I'm going to cover this for a couple of minutes and let it do its thing. So this has been cooking its own juices for about 4 to 5 minutes now, and now the water has drained all of it. You can see this looks extremely beautiful. So at this point, I have some pili pili. I'm going to drop it in, and I'll also add my coriander stems. Remember the container that had our marinade. I've mixed it with some water. Then I'm going to let this simmer for a couple of minutes, about 10 or so minutes. So I'm just going to add some more water ndivyo iwe hadi uko ndani. And remember, you should not be adding unnecessary water to your pork, otherwise it's not going to be tasty. Itaonja tu venye inataka. And I'm just going to deglaze the bottom. Then I'll cover this and I'll see once the water is drained and the pan is completely dry. So this will take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes and our pork should be ready. It's that simple. So my pork is almost dry at this point, and I'm also sure that it is well done. It has been going on for about 16 minutes now. So I'm just going to add my onions, and these really come in handy, and they also elevate the flavor, so you shouldn't skip out on that, as well as my coriander leaves. Then I'm going to give this about 2 minutes so that the onions can soften up, and this will be basically done. And just like that, we are done. I'll switch that off, then I'll remove my paper so that I just don't bite to it by mistake. Then I'll garnish with the remaining coriander leaves, and this is ready to be served. So finally, you can see that my pork is ready, and I've already tasted it, and it tastes amazing. So, wow, this is so good. So tender, delicious. Wow. You just have to try this out. I served mine with some spinach and some yellow garlic. This is legit. Wow. So as you can see, this is such a delicious recipe, and tell me why you do not eat pork down in the comment section. That's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.